What's up, guys? It is Mariah. So as you can tell from the title, I have a pretty huge Toy Story Land mystery pin unboxing, and I am so excited about it. But before we get started, just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, because I do a lot of these unboxings I've done a lot of these unboxings throughout the course of my channel, and I hope to continue to do them. And definitely like this video if you like it. I hope you do. And I'm not gonna go ahead and waste time with a long intro, so let's just go ahead and get to unboxing. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the new Toy Story Land mystery pin collection. I saw these and I was like, I need these in my collection. Yeah, so I love Toy Story. I mean, first of all, Andy, guys, if y'all didn't know, Andy, like, for people who are my age, Andy grew up with us, guys. Like, whatever age Andy was in the movies was the age that I was. And so, like, Toy Story 3, me and my mom were in the movie theater crying because I was a senior in high school and Andy was going off to college, and I was just like, oh my god, like, I'll never grow up. Anyway, so yeah, that's just like a side note. But anyway, so I was super excited to see these. They're in like the little block letters that you used to play with when you were younger, or at least for me, I used to play with these blocks, so it's very nostalgic for me. So I was like, I have to have these. But I wasn't at Toy Story Land opening, and so I got this girl on Instagram. Her Instagram handle is Allison's Pins. I think that's what it is. I'll leave it down in the description box. But she does pickups in the park for Disney merchandise and all that. So if you can't get it online, then she'll pick up whatever you want really in the parks for you. So I told her to get me, yes, boxes of these pins. And y'all aren't gonna believe this, but I really want the entire collection. And so I got 7 boxes. Yeah, because there's 14 pins. There's 14 pins in the collection total, and they each box has 2 pins. So I figured even if I get doubles, I can trade to complete the collection. So I'll just go ahead and show y'all what they look like, if it'll focus. Let's see here. Focus, 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 focus. Yes, you can do it. All right. Okay, so here's what you can get. All the different Pixar characters from Toy Story. Yep, you can see everything there. Woody, Buzz, the Green Alien, Green Army Man, Mr. Potato Head, Bo Peep, Jessie, Trixie, Wheezy, Slinky Dog, Rex. Every character pretty much in the film. And so I am super excited. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. And I forgot my scissors over here, so we're just gonna wing this, and we're gonna see if I can open these without the scissors. So I'm opening it up, and there's 2 in each set, like I said. So we'll just go ahead and get started before this is super long. Ooh, let's see if I can do this, guys. Okay, I think I got it open. Oh, and I forgot to say, these are limited release, so they're available as long as the supplies last, which I don't know how long that'll be. So I just went ahead and, you know, wanted to go ahead and pick them up before they're sold out at some point. So anyway, woo, these are big pins. Holy crap. Okay. I'm just looking at the back. So the first one is, what is it? Oh, I think it's Bullseye. Bullseye the horse, right? I will do, like, hopefully y'all can tell. Yeah, I was gonna do close up at the end, but I think that'll work pretty well. Y'all can see that it's Bullseye, and he's red, and it's so cute. Oh my gosh, these are huge pins, guys. Here's the palm of my hand for reference. Like, that's crazy. Yeah, anyway, so whoa, All right, I will keep going. Bullseye is the first one. Awesome. Okay. So, oh, it has to solve. It was red. The next one is red, so I don't know what that. It says limited release on the back. Oh, it's Wheezy, guys, with his little microphone. Super cute. Love it. Okay, so great start so far. These are huge pins. You're definitely getting the value like of these pins for what you pay, so that's awesome. Okay, so the next two. I'm opening box number 2. I'm just gonna go ahead. Actually, guys, let me get my scissors so I can like speed this along. Okay, back with my scissors, and I'm opening the second box here. We're just gonna open it up, and the next one is it's a Woody. Oh my gosh, I like this one. This is probably like my favorite so far. It'll probably be my favorite in the whole bunch, just because, you know, he's so classic. Yeah, Woody, and he's blue in the blue blocks. Yay. Okay, I really like that one. Okay, so next one, I didn't say what I wanted just because I want the whole collection. So, but obviously it would be nice to get Woody and Buzz, and I would really like Slinky Dog and Bo Peep. They're some of my favorites. Okay, so next one. Ooh, who is this? Okay, I forgot who this character was. I don't know if I showed it in the last clip. Yeah, I had forgotten who this character was, so I had to look him up, but he's in the yellow block. And I have my phone with me. Hopefully this will focus back. Okay. He is Stinky Pete the Prospector. I forgot who he was, but yes, Stinky Pete the Prospector. So he's in the yellow block. These are just super cute. I really absolutely love these pins, and they're huge. Okay, so the third box before this gets any longer, I'm pulling it out. Third box. I'm gonna make a mess, so that's inevitable. All right, I'm hoping not to get, that would be awesome if I didn't get doubles, but I'm pretty much expecting to get doubles because, yeah. All right, so the next pin that I have is, oh, I have another Woody. So you already saw him. I'm not going to show him again, but he's in the blue box. I will put him down here with the other Woody. So as I said, I'm expecting to get doubles. I got a double. So it's all good though. The next pin that I'm pulling out of the pack, oh wow, what are the odds? It's another Stinky Pete. Stinky Pete the Prospector. So I just showed him, so I literally got the same box from the last one, so that's great. But it's okay. So the next one, pulling out the next two. Hopefully I'll get some different ones. That will be great. But obviously I'll be trading. So if you guys see any and you're collecting some of these or you want one, let me know and I'll trade you. Oh, yay. So the next one is Trixie. Trixie, she's the Triceratops and she's in the blue box. That is super cute. I like that one. I'll put that there. And moving right along. Okay, so pulling out the next one. I'm scared. These make my heart beat fast. What is it? Oh, it's green, so it's one that I don't have. Rex! Oh my goodness. I love it. Love Rex. Obviously he's the Tyrannosaurus Rex. I hope it's focusing and y'all can see that very clearly, I hope. But yeah, so very cute. Really love it. Speaking of, I have been watching a lot of videos about the merchandise in Toy Story Land, and I saw a shirt in the gift shop that says, "I'm a nervous Rex," with the picture of Rex on there. So cute. Anyway, just thought I would share that. Oh, and I will show y'all the back. I haven't shown y'all what the back looks like. Hopefully you'll be able to tell, but it just says limited release on the back, and it just has one of the pin backings on the back. So that's what that looks like, and of course has the factory number letting you know it's real. Anyway, so okay, next box. This is my 5th box. This is crazy, guys. Crazy. These are huge. Yeah, these are so cute. I really like them. Anyway, next two, moving on. I am a dork. It's okay though. All right, so the next one is, oh, it's the Green Army Man, guys. Okay, this is what the Green Army Man looks like. Obviously, he is a green block, and that's so cute. I cannot wait to go to Toy Story Land because I heard that they walk around and like play the drums and stuff like that, so that is super cute. Actually, when I ran my half marathon, they had a Green Army Man yelling at people because it was like it was at a point where we're going up a hill, and so I guess it was like mile 11, so we definitely needed some encouragement. But they had a Green Army Man yelling at people to like get up the hill, like get up the hill, get up this hill, don't walk, run. I will link that vlog, my half marathon vlog, above and below, so you can check that out. But if the Green Army Men or anything like that, that'll be super cool. Anyway, next pin. I have all the colors so far. Okay, yeah. Red, yellow, green. No, I don't. Blue, yeah. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, whatever. Okay, yes, this is a new one. Okay, Mr. Potato Head. I was like, yes, I don't think I have him. Awesome. I like this one. I love Mr. Potato Head. I used to have one when I was younger. So, these are just, Toy Story is just a very nostalgia type of movie, I feel like, for a lot of people, and especially for me, because I actually used to have these pins. I actually used to have these toys, and I played with them when I was younger. My brother had Woody, the Woody doll or whatever, where you can pull out the string and he says different phrases like, "You are my favorite deputy." I remember that so clearly because he loved that thing. Anyway, moving on to the next box. Moving on. We're gonna keep on going. This is the 6th box. Okay, 2. Next one. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going before this video gets long. Okay, so I have another Bullseye. I already showed you him, so he's red. I'm not gonna get into all that, but we'll just go ahead and open the next one. I think the other one I got out of here was Wheezy, so hopefully I do not get Wheezy in the box, or there'll be another duplicate box. Uh-oh, it's a red, guys. Oh, and Wheezy's red. And what do you know? Another Wheezy, so great. Putting him down there. So far I have 4 doubles, so yeah. Okay, that's cool. Last box. Hopefully I can get one, the last 2 in here will be not doubles. That would be great, actually. Yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead, open the last one, say a quick prayer for me, guys. Okay. So the next to last pin that I'm pulling out is, guys, another Bullseye. I have 3 Bullseyes. It's okay. Let's pray that it's not another Wheezy. Okay, I'm gonna look and see what color it is. We'll see. It's red, bruh. Okay, the other one would be Ham. Ham the pig. It's Wheezy, guys. So it's okay. It didn't end this unboxing on a super high note, but it's okay. I will show you guys a clip right now of this collection so that you can see what all I got. All right, guys, here is a close-up of all the pins I got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the 14. But again, if you guys are collecting these as well and you would like to trade for one that I have a duplicate of, just let me know. Email me. Yes. Anyway, guys, I think that'll be it for this unboxing. Let me know if you are collecting these pins and which one is your favorite, which character is your favorite, and if you have any, or if you're collecting these as well and you see one that I have a double of that you need or want or whatever, please email me in the at the email address in my description box. It's mariahsworld7@gmail.com. Let me know and I will trade you. I'm only trading for this collection, so I'm not going to trade these pins for another pin that's not in the collection. But if you have a pin that I need in this collection and you would like to trade, let me know. And anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this awesome video and I hope you all have a magical day.